Hey, what's up, guys? It's your boy XO, and in today's live scalping series, I'll be taking some trades to show you guys how I scalp in the market. So, guys, before we continue this video, I want to announce that I'm doing a giveaway. I'll be giving away $50 to the winner that is gonna like this video, share this video, and comment, and watch this video to the end because I hid a word in this video. So if you find it, and DM me on Instagram with the word and screenshot of you liking this video and leaving a comment and where you shared this video to, I will give you 50 US dollars cash, like straight up. No BS, no joke. Whoever does that first will win this prize, guaranteed. Trust me on this one, will win this prize. So make sure you like, share, subscribe, and leave a comment, and DM me on Instagram. The link to my Instagram will be below this video. So once you're done, you just check it out and DM me. So I'm waiting for an entry. I can't find an entry yet. So let's see. So this looks like the retest of this structure, this kind of stick. So I'm looking to take a trade for a buy at this point, guys, because it's scalping. I like to take. Oh, this should be a sell. Let me take a sell. Quick. Oh my god. So, and you guys know me, I like to take my stops will be just above this point, just above this wick here, and my take profit will be 1-to-1. Guys, please don't mind my voice. I'm having cold. I don't know, like my voice has just been so off lately. So my stops will be a 1-to-1. Struggling to keep that in focus. So let's see how this trade plays out to be. I think this trade is trying to make us scared, but I think it's gonna go into profit, and you just have to be disciplined and have patience. Even if it's a scalp, you still need to wait for the trade to play out. So this is the 1 minute time frame of the EUR USD. Let's see if this trade ends up being a win. So as you can see, we lost this trade, so let's wait for another entry. So guys, please bear with me. I will show you guys how I trade. I will show you guys the strategy, but I want to show it to more people. Alright guys, that's a new entry. Let's see how this trade plays out to be real quick. I think this is going to be a really great setup, and I think based on my trading experience, this is going to be a win. Like, this actual setup actually kind of rarely happens. At least I would say once in a day, if you get to catch it. As you can see, it's moving up quick. This setup is actually really insane. Like, if I see this setup like 10 times, I'm sure I'm gonna win like 7 of it. So let's see how it plays out. Almost there, guys. Let's see. The forex market can be really emotional. It can play with your emotions really bad. Just hit the take profit and let's move on with our lives. Oh god. So let me just come back to this. Okay, let's see. It's moving. Regardless of how many times I've taken this trade and I've seen it work, I still feel emotional because, like I said, it works 7 times out of 10. So probability still plays. This could be one of the 3 losses or one of the 7 wins. So let's just see how it plays out to be. Right now, I have to just keep my emotions in check and just let the market do its thing. You can't really force the market to do what it wants to do, right? Of course. Come on, smash this take profit. Smash it. Just take it out. Just take it out. So guys, should we count this as a win? I'm using my mobile phone, guys. My PC has a problem. Oh yeah, that was a win. So this is the so now we have 1 win and 1 loss. So guys, let's wait for a different entry. So guys, based on my strategy, this is a break and retest of structure. So I'm looking to take a sell at this point. At the close of this kind of stick. So let's just wait for the close of this kind of stick. All right, we're in for a sell, and where shall our stop loss be? just below this point here. This is a scalp, guys. Do not, oh, it's too small. This is why I hate using the mobile phone. I don't know if it's just my phone, but it's really frustrating, like really frustrating to use. So take profit will be a 1-to-1. Okay, that's fixed. So let's see how this trade plays out to be. I'll get back to you guys. Like usually, guys, most of my scalping strategies are actually a 70% win rate. So of course the remaining 30%, which is 7 wins out of 10 trades. So this could be one of the 3 losses or one of the 7 wins. So let's just see how this trade ends up to be. I'll get back to you guys very soon. I don't like looking at it. It makes me feel very emotional. So let's just wait and see what the market does. Guys, can you see why I said this could be very emotionally draining? You can see how far the market came to this point. You can see how the market came to this point, and just some few ticks to take me into profit, it went back up. Really annoying. And it almost came, you see, look at the distance, it almost took me out. But guys, let's just come back to this. Let's just come back. I can't look at this again. So guys, before I continue this video, I want you guys to make sure you subscribe, like, share and comment on this video. And please don't mind my voice, I'm having a cold. So if you want to chat with me live on Telegram, you can go to the description of this video. It will be the second link, so you can just go there and subscribe. That's the first or second link, I don't know, but you will see the link on the first 2 links. Just go there, subscribe to the Telegram group, and you could get you will start getting notification of me whenever I want to take a trade. I will give you guys notification so you guys can join the ride. That was a win, and let's wait for another entry. This trade really took me lots of emotions. The recording was paused, but I was still looking at it because I just couldn't take my eyes off it. I was like, man, I know this trade to work more often than not. I've actually lost throughout this week. I've actually lost like 2 of it, and I'm like, losing 3 times in a row hasn't happened since I started trading like this strategy. So I was like, well, nothing is new in the market. Like, let's just see if let's just let the probability just play out. So I'm glad it actually played out, and I won this trade. And let's wait for another entry, guys. I actually want to take 4 trades. So we've won 2 and we've lost 1, so it means we are up 1. And let's see if we can add more 1 trade to this to this journey in general, guys. So I was talking, I would have taken this trade for a sell, but that is 9 sides right now. So let's just wait. You see the market is dropping. Look at this, it's dropping. So oh my god, I should have taken this trade. Well, it's really annoying. Like, I was talking and I wasn't even taking note of this. This was a great setup. This doji kind of stick after the break and retest of structure. Man, this was a good sell. Oh my god, this was a good sell. Okay guys, let's just wait for a separate entry. Let me just chill and see what happens. So guys, real quick, I want to take a buy at that point. Why did I move that? So let's see how this trade plays out to be. So guys, usually if I lose this trade right now, usually the next trade will be a win. If I lose this trade, the next one is going to be a win. So guys, as you can see, that was a beautiful win. Like, this is the 3rd win he had today. So basically that was like 3 wins and 1 loss, which is a 2-hour profit. So at least we made 2, which is 3/1. So that's great. It's really great. This video, I want you guys to make sure you subscribe, like, share and comment on this video. I'll see you guys in the next video, so make sure you have a great and wonderful day. Peace.